In an age of instant gratification and global demand, delays, bottlenecks, and massive carbon footprints are the harsh realities of moving goods across continents. From perishable foods to critical medical supplies, time is money, and often, time is lost. But what if we could revolutionize logistics? What if cargo could travel at speeds once thought impossible for ground transport? Imagine Hyperloop. At its core, Hyperloop technology uses magnetic levitation to propel specialized cargo pods through sealed, low-pressure tubes. By removing nearly all air resistance, these pods can reach incredible speeds, potentially over 1,000 km per hour. That's faster than most commercial aircraft. This isn't just about speed, it's about unprecedented efficiency. Goods could travel across countries in minutes, across continents in hours. Think fresh produce from farm to city in a fraction of the time, or emergency medical supplies delivered almost instantly. Supply chains would become leaner, more agile, and incredibly responsive. Beyond speed, Hyperloop offers a sustainable vision. Powered largely by renewable energy, these systems promise a drastic reduction in carbon emissions compared to trucking or air freight. Fewer vehicles on the road mean less congestion, less pollution, and ultimately, lower operational costs for businesses, passed on to consumers. The applications are vast. From accelerating e-commerce delivery and ensuring the freshness of food, to securing the rapid transport of high-value goods and critical components for manufacturing, Hyperloop could redefine countless industries. Of course, challenges remain. The engineering feats required, the massive infrastructure investment, and regulatory frameworks need to be meticulously developed. But prototypes are being tested, and progress is accelerating. The vision of Hyperloop isn't just a distant dream, it's a tangible reality in the making. It promises a future where goods move smarter, faster, and greener than ever before. A future where distance is no longer a barrier to efficiency. The future of cargo transport is knocking. Are we ready to answer? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into the world of tomorrow.